Yes, let's do this. Let's get this jamming. Talking to my family. We got to get this together, y'all. Quick little 300 that I pulled out of one of my programs. But that's not the reason why I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you today why you are missing out on easy money if you don't do this. Why you are missing out on easy money if you don't do this. What do I mean by that? It means exactly what I said. You are in a position with me, with my support, Zakia, Rashida, sign up, please. 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 So, what this is about, why are you missing out if you don't make this easy money? Why is it so easy? We just got the results of 8 hours of trading. I'm only letting the information out in my private room. I'm not even telling you what it is, because I can't. It's not compliant. I can't make you want to get in because of how much money we making. I want you to get in based on you wanting something that's going to help you in the Forex market. And that is an automated trader that does the work for you. Now, traders like this, automated traders like this, are making people big, huge money. I'm talking about thousands a day money. I can't say this one, but I'm with this one. Can make you thousands a day if you really build up to that. And that's just a trader. So you're going to have something in the Forex market that actually trades for you and will help you create wealth for short term or long term. It's up to you. How far do you want to take it? For the passive people, which is, I just want to make some extra money. You just put some money in your account and make some extra money and really build it. Probably be one of the best investments you ever do. Why? Because AI software is trading your account. And the AI software is on such a level now that it's just totally impressive. I had my hat on earlier. The AI software is so, I had to put my hat on because my hair wasn't like I wanted it to be. The software is so productive that your minds are going to be blown. If you join my Wealth Portal group, which is free, online, Facebook, I can tell you what it is, how much money we made. I can even send you some, I have some videos up, the software working, and one of our leaders talking about how much money was made. Very impressive. Most impressive AI robot I have ever seen. In 8 hours. What it's doing, the trading mind can't even keep up with doing. Do you hear me? The trading mind can't even keep up with what's going on. So we got something that's going to change the world. Now, there's many people in this world that are making millions with AI Forex robots. I want to get that real clear. They're making millions. But you know nothing about it. You just think it's desperation and people got to go to work and people are struggling. No, they're not. I just talked to a guy today who told me he's got 3 AIs going on with some other programs that he's about to join. And he just uses business funding and put it in the accounts and make money. All of his accounts are over $25,000, each one of them. He's pulling money out of Bitcoin to put some more money in this one, this new one that we have. He wants to pull out some money in Bitcoin and fund this account that we're talking about with our auto trader. Because the auto trader he had to pay $2,000 up front for, and they take 50% of the profits. Did you hear me? He had to pay $2,000 just to get in, and they take 50% of the profits. This AI works different. You pay, well, it's free for 30 days. First 10 days, you got to do it on a demo so you can see how it works. Next 20 days, you can open up a live account. So 30 days for free. Now, when you get to the point that you're making money after you pay your fee, $247, then $169 a month after that. $247 to get in, then $169 a month. So after you pay because we have a network marketing system too, connected, which I love network marketing. I love network marketing. So you have a network marketing system connected to it, a 3x12 matrix, which I love, with a whole lot of bonus points and success. How are you, JD? So he paid $2,000 and they take 50% of the profits. Michael, I hope you've signed up, brother. Look in the wealth portal so you can see how much money it made. Please, brother, please do that. See how much money the robot made. Please. I'm really been vibing on you, brother. Michael, I've been vibing on you, Michael Billings, because you're a trader. So, like I was talking about, so this brother I know, good friend of mine, they take 50% of the profits that they make with this AI, automatic AI. You know how much we take of your profit? 0. We don't take anything of your profit. All you're doing is paying the $247 one time at the beginning and the $169 a month. That's it. And you can build a business and you sign up 3 people. You don't even have a membership. The membership is paid for. So it's free at that point. I'm going to build a huge business. My first month, I'll probably make about a couple of thousand just on the business side, based on the signups I have now once we go live. So $169 and I'm making $2,000 a month. Ooh, I care less. I'm going to have 2. They got 4 robots. I'm going to have all of them. I think there's 75 each after the first one, because you get the 169, you get the 1. Well, you pay the 247, you get the 1, the 169, you get 1 robot. But I want all of them. I want to have 3 accounts, because one of the robots is manual. It just gives you signal picks and you make the trade. But the 3 are automated. I want all 3. I want all 3 of the automated. And just let them work. Because this is where my friend was telling me he has 25,000 on each account. And you know who the friend is, Michael Billings. It's the friend from Oakland. You know who he is. You know who he is. I was talking to him today. So he's coming in. So they take 50%. We don't take any percentage. That's all your money. Your account, treated like an ATM machine. It's your account. The beauty of that is this. You only pay a membership fee to use the robot, but yet you can build a business. So you get to have a business. You get to have a business, passive income, and active income. So you get to make residual income, passive income with the robots, and then with the trading system, we teach you how to trade, and they have the software that gives you trading picks that's active. You're actually doing something. So you have residual income, passive income, active income. But a lot of y'all just don't want it to passive. You ain't gonna think about the residual and the active. You just want the passive income. I just want the robot. Well, cool. You just want the robot? No problem. Because if you're going to build a business, you got to pay an extra $30 a month. So that literally, if you're going to build a business, that's going to be $169 plus 30. So it's basically $200 a month if you're going to build a business. Us builders, business builders, that's cool. Because that $200 that I'm putting all together, I already have 2,000 coming in because I have people coming in signing up. So that's taken care of. So I have the passive income with the robots working, and then I'll have the active income by my own trades and using this system, because I'll get all four, using this system to tell me what picks to get. You know how many picks that it gives you, Michael, a day? 60. With the stop loss and take profit. That you can do yourself. Of course, I ain't gonna be trying to do 60 trades, but but when I get, so I know trades, I know picks are coming, and I can evaluate if it's a good trade or not because I'm a trader. But it stops me where I don't have to look. I can just look at the trade, looking first, searching. I can just look at the signal pick and then do my confirmation and see if I want to make the trade. But in the meantime, the robots are working, making me money. They spitting out money, just spitting out money, ATMs, just money, making money in the currency market. And I'm telling people like y'all right now, so you can get in and I can make money. And you can tell people and I can make more money and you can make money. Everybody's making money. Everybody has the robots. Everybody's making passive income. Everybody's making passive income. And if you're smart, you're going to develop the skill to trade, but you have help because now you have a robot that's giving you the picks. What am I saying? Technology is changing the game. Money, you can make this easily through technology. You just tune into it. This $300 comes from a Bitcoin system that I'm working on. I pulled out money out of my Coinbase. Technology is beautiful. We were in the information age, but we're in the technology age now. Robots and AIs and systems, all this shit's gonna be leaving. Pretty soon, you think Uber is doing something now? That's gonna be extinct soon. Because they're gonna have cars doing that shit and dropping off electric, robotic cars picking up food and dropping it off. They're not gonna need you anymore. It's just like when you go into certain stores, Ralph's, and they only have a couple of workers, and they have an hour where you do it yourself. They don't need where you do your own, slide it and bag it. You do it yourself. They don't need people. So you got to catch up with technology. It's like you traders, you don't have to trade no more if you don't want to. I'm gonna trade every now and then if go back into the wealth portal, and I can't tell you, I just want to tell you how much it made in 8 hours last night. I'm just so excited to see how much money it's gonna make tonight. I'm excited. What it made last night was unfucking believable for fucking one day. Exciting. I may give you a hint. I'm gonna say, when I'm talking, I'm gonna give you a hint because I can't tell you because it's against the rules. I can't push how much the robot is making. Can't tell you. But I'm gonna give you a hint. But I can't tell you. Let me say, I got these books, Sacred Man. I wonder how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 of them. 10. I've got 300 here. I wish I had 7 more hundreds. That would be 10. That would be 10 hundreds. That would be 10. I would love to make 10%